Hi, Mathematics in Action. You must have come across the chapter Lines and Angles and must also be familiar with the point, the line segment, and ray. Now let's see these four concepts using hands-on. Let's have the first one, point. An exact location on a plane is called a point. So we can have this sphere representing a point. Next we have line. A straight path on a plane extending in both directions and having no endpoints is called a line. We can have this rod as a line which can be extended towards the right as well as towards the left. Next we have line segment. A part of line that has two endpoints and thus a definite length is called a line segment. So if we take this line and attach these 2 points, it becomes a line segment. Next we have ray. A line segment extended indefinitely in one direction is called a ray. So if we remove one of the sphere, it can be extended indefinitely. Isn't this interesting to be learned? Thank you for watching this and stay tuned.